In this video, I'll talk about staying up to date with trends. In a moment, I'll tell you the best way of doing this, but first, I need to ask you how many email lists are you on? After a while, you'll get to know some great online marketers who can teach you a great deal. These will be the sort of people you can trust because you have usually received maybe a product or course that has worked well for you and also some great tips and advice. You need to subscribe to these marketers and don't be scared to do so because you can easily unsubscribe if you don't think they are offering value. Subscribe to blogs that are relevant to your niche. There is a load of great knowledge to pick up and also inspiring stories. Just do a Google search for these blogs and subscribe. What I use if I'm researching is a tool called Evernote. I can get any information that I need and use this tool to save articles that would be useful. Forums and Facebook groups are another great source of information, so you can see what others are doing and also get your questions answered. Hopefully that has given you some ideas, so you'll never feel left behind or on your own. In the next video, I'll be discussing shiny object syndrome and how to overcome it, plus your biggest enemy, procrastination. See you in the next video.